Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays US credit card, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.barclaysus.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link below the login fields. Follow the provided instructions to recover your username or reset your password. Once your username and password are entered correctly, click on the login button. After a brief moment, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you experience any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the account interface. This will help you navigate through your account settings and features more efficiently. That's it. You are now logged into your Barclays US credit card account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.